Hello students, today we'll start with a new chapter, simultaneous linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations. In this chapter we will be given two equations and we will understand how to solve them and find the value of x. So in this chapter there are three methods to solve the simultaneous linear equations. There are three main methods which are given respectively in three different exercises. So in 6a, 6b and 6c. Three methods are explained. 6d is kind of miscellaneous. 6e and 6f have word problems. Okay. In the exercise 6a, we'll study about the first method, that is elimination by substitution. The second exercise will study about elimination by equating coefficients. This is the most important method, star mark this, because this is the method which you will use in almost all the sums while doing the word problems also, in any other topic, in other chapters where you have to solve two equations, you will use this method only, because this is the most efficient method, most less time consuming and accurate. Okay. This is also a simple method. When the numbers are very easy, when the values are very small, it is preferable to use substitution. And the third method is cross multiplication, which is the most lengthy method, okay, and most error prone, where there are high chances of you making error. Okay, but we have to study all these three methods. It is possible that in the exam they will give you the question and say that solve using cross multiplication. So they will specifically mention the method. At that time you have to use cross multiplication. Okay. If they specifically mention elimination by substitution, so you have to use this method. So we must know all three. When it is not specified which method to use, I will advise you to use elimination by equating coefficients. Okay, and sometimes substitution when the values are very easy. Okay, now what these methods are and how to use them, we'll start with exercise A, that is elimination by substitution. Okay, let's start. Now in this method, we will find the value of one variable and then substitute it in the second variable, that is C. The first question is 8x plus 5y equals 9, and the second equation is 3x plus 2y equals 4. We have to solve these equations now. How to solve them? Take the first equation. First or second, you can take any equation, whichever is smaller and easier to solve. Now, you in this equation make x or y as subject. Making subject means, let's say you are making y as the subject. So shift this 8x here. So 5y is equals to 9 minus 8x. Correct? And you are making y the subject. So shift this number. This 5 will go in the denominator. So y is 9 minus 8x upon 5. Correct? So you got the value of y as 9 minus 8x upon 5. From the first equation, you have solved the first equation and you got the value of y as this. Now, put this was the first equation. Okay? And this was the second equation. Now put the value of y in equation 2. That means first equation से एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू लेके आना है और उस वैल्यू को y के वैल्यू को सेकेंड इक्वेशन में y की जगह पे पुट करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज योर सेकेंड इक्वेशन? 3x plus 2y equals 4. Now here in the second equation you will substitute the value of, in the place of y you will put 9 minus 8x upon 5. So let's see how it works. See, in the place of y I have written 9 minus 8x upon 5 equals 4. y की जगह पे ये वैल्यू पुट की. ठीक है, अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट, 9 2 जा 18 माइनस 8 into 2 is 16x upon 5 equals 4. We'll take LCM here, so this will get multiplied with 5. Okay, so 15x plus 18 minus 16x upon 5 equals 4. Correct. यहाँ पे ये LCM लेंगे तो this will get multiplied with 3 into 5. Okay, now solve this. 15x minus this 18 will remain as it is. ये 15x minus 16x. 15x minus 16x will become minus x. 15 minus 16 is minus 1. Correct. Equals इस 5 को यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. So 5 into 4 this is 20. 18 minus x is 20. Now shift this 18 here. So minus x equals 20 minus 18. So minus s equals 2, therefore x is minus 2. Understood what we did? Now once we got the value of x, we will use this value and put it in any equation. You can use any equation, 1, 2, any equation. And जो x2 मिला है इसको अब इस इक्वेशन में पुट करो. ओके, लेट्स से मैं इक्वेशन 2 लेता हूँ. 3x plus 2y equals 4. So putting the value of x in equation 2. You can put in equation 1 also, you'll get the answer same. So क्या है ये equation? I'll solve it here. Equation 2 क्या है? 3x plus 2y equals 4. So x की जगह पे I'll put minus 2 plus 2y equals 4. So this is minus 6 plus 2y equals 4. This minus 6 will go here. So 2y is equals to 4 plus 6. So 2y is equals to 10. So y will be 5. Understood? That means we have got the answer of x as minus 2. फिर ये x की वैल्यू को कोई भी इक्वेशन में पुट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, एनी इक्वेशन फ्रॉम योर, बट चूज द स्मॉलेस्ट इक्वेशन सो दैट कैलकुलेशन उतना कम हो. ओके, so let's put the value and you got the value of y also. So this is my final answer. X is minus 2 and y is 5. ओके, कैसे किया एक बार वापस रिवाइज करते हैं. 2 इक्वेशंस होंगे हमेशा. फिर कोई भी एक इक्वेशन चूज करो एंड एक वेरिएबल को सब्जेक्ट बनाओ. ठीक है, लेट्स से यू चूज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एंड मेक लेट्स से y द सब्जेक्ट. सो y की वैल्यू ये है. नाउ पुट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ y इन द सेकेंड इक्वेशन. ओके, इन द प्लेस ऑफ y यू पुट द वैल्यू एंड देन सॉल्व इट. सो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ वन वेरिएबल एज x. और फिर ये मिलने के बाद इसको दूसरे वेरिएबल में सब्सटीट्यूट करो, दूसरे इक्वेशन में, तो दूसरा वेरिएबल भी मिल जाएगा. ओके, देयर इज नो सच रूल दैट पहले x फाइंड करना है या y फाइंड करना है. कुछ भी पहले मिल सकता है, x भी मिल सकता है, y भी मिल सकता है. ओके, एंड यू कैन नंबर एनी इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट इस इक्वेशन को 2, इस इक्वेशन को 1, कुछ भी नंबर दे सकते हैं. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. Let's do one more sum. I'll do the third sum now. Second sum, try to do it on your own. It's very easy and same. Third sum. Two x plus 3y is 8 and 2x equals 2 plus 3y. Now we have to make one variable as a subject. So मैं क्या करता हूँ, इस सेकेंड इक्वेशन को, दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, ये सेकेंड इक्वेशन है, इसी में x को सब्जेक्ट बना देता हूँ बिकॉज ऑलरेडी x अकेला है और बाकी 2 नंबर्स यहाँ पे है. सो जस्ट इस 2 को यहाँ ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. सो x इज 2 plus 3y अपॉन 2, करेक्ट. तो ये मिल गया x की वैल्यू. ओके, लेट्स नेम दिस एज इक्वेशन 2. नाउ put the value of x in equation 1. So ये है equation 1. Let's put the value of x here. Correct, 2 into x. तो x क्या है? 2 plus 3y upon 2 plus 3y equals 8. Now let's solve this. अच्छा, here we can cancel this also because ये bracket है ना, this is in multiplication, so this 2 and this 2 can get cancelled. Okay, तो और easy हो गया sum. So 2 plus 3y equals 8. So 3y plus 3y is 6y. So 2 plus 6y equals 8. 6y equals, send this 2 here, so 8 minus 2. So y is equals to 6y is equals to 6. So y is equals to 6 upon 6, that is 1. अब y की वैल्यू 1 मिल गई. अब क्या करें? इस y की वैल्यू 1 जो है इसे कोई भी इक्वेशन में पुट करो. दिस y is equals to 1, put in any equation. Okay, I'll solve it here only where there is some space. So कौन सा इक्वेशन लूँ? Let's say I can take any equation. I'll take this equation. Okay, so x is 2 plus 3y upon 2. So y मुझे 1 मिला है. Let's put the value 1 here. 2 plus 3 into 1, which will be 3 only, upon 2. So x is 5 upon 2, that is 2.5. So x मिल गया 2.5 and y क्या मिला है? 1. This is my answer. Understood? Very simple. एक इक्वेशन से एक वेरिएबल को सब्जेक्ट बनाओ, उसे दूसरे में पुट करो. ठीक है, पुट करने के बाद आपको एक वेरिएबल का आंसर मिल जाएगा. एंड देन पुट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ y और x, वॉट एवर यू गेट, in any of the equation and you will get the other variable also. Okay, I hope it is very clear. I've explained it very slowly. Copy it. Next sum. Question number 4. I am doing the fourth one because it has decimal places here. Nothing change if you have decimal places. You have to follow the same rule. Now, there is one thing you can definitely do to make this equation simpler. Okay, what you can do is, you have decimal place here also and decimal place here also. So do one thing, multiply this entire equation by 10. ये ट्रिक याद रखो, पूरे इक्वेशन को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. ठीक है, ऐसा हम कर सकते हैं. दिस मीन्स क्या, दिस आर इक्वल टू साइन हियर. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड्स, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड, हम दोनों को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इक्वेशन 0.2 इंटू 10 क्या होगा, 0.2 इंटू 10 इज 2x. आई विल राइट हियर, मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 बाय 10. लेट्स से दिस इक्वेशन 1. क्या फ़ायदा होगा देखना, 0.22x बन गया. ठीक है, प्लस 0.1 इंटू 10 विल बिकम 1y इक्वल्स 25 इंटू 10 इज 250. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अगर आप कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो अपने काम के लिए, तो दोनों साइड पे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ एक साइड पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया दूसरे पे नहीं किया, दैट इज रॉन्ग. ओके, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाइड ऑन बोथ साइड्स. सो अब ये बन गया इक्वेशन. देखो डेसिमल प्लेसेस चले गए, सो अब सम थोड़ा सा ईजी हो गया. ओके, सो अब सब्जेक्ट बनाना भी आसान है. सी दिस इज वाई ईयर, तो इस 2x को यहाँ भेज देता हूँ. सो y इज 250 माइनस 2x. ये मिल गया y सब्जेक्ट. ओके, let's name this equation as 2. Now put the value of y in equation 2. जैसे ही मैंने ये एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप जो किया मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 10, अगर आप ये नहीं भी करते तो भी आप सम सॉल्व कर सकते थे, लेकिन कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता. अब इससे कैलकुलेशन आसान हो जाएगा. ओके, सो y मिल चुका है. लेट्स सब्स्टिट्यूट इन इक्वेशन 2. तो क्या है इक्वेशन 2? 2x माइनस 2 माइनस 1.6y 116. Let's open this bracket. So this is 2x minus 4 minus 1.6 into y की वैल्यू क्या है? 250 minus 2x. So let's substitute here. 250 minus 2x equals 116. Then 2x minus 4. Open this bracket. So you have to multiply 250 with 1.6. 250 with 1.6. When you multiply this, you will get 400. Okay, then minus minus plus 1.6 into 2 is 3.2x equals 116. Understood? Now 2x plus 3.2x. 2x plus 3.2 क्या होगा? 5.2x. Okay. Minus 4 minus 400 is minus 404 equals 116. Now 5.2x equals 116. इसको मैंने यहाँ शिफ्ट किया plus 404. So 5.2x equals, now add this 404 plus 116. What is the answer you are getting? You will get 520, and then x is equals to 520 upon 5.2. So ये कैसे करेंगे? पॉइंट को शिफ्ट करेंगे. So this will become 520 into 10 upon 52. नीचे से पॉइंट शिफ्ट करते हैं तो ऊपर 10 मल्टीप्लाई होता है. ओके, दिस इज 52. 52 1 जा, 52 10 जा, 10 into 10. I am getting x as 100. Okay, अब x 100 मिल गया है. You can pause the video and copy it. I won't wait. So x मिल गया 100. Now once you get the value of x as 100, you can substitute in any of the equation to get the value of y. Okay, so let's say I am substituting in this equation. y चाहिए ना, तो ये ले लेते हैं. y is 250 minus 2x. ओके, ये वाला इक्वेशन. सबसे छोटा जो इक्वेशन होगा वो लेना है, सबसे सिंपल. ठीक है, क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन हमें कम करना है. सो पुट x इज इक्वल्स टू 100 इन विच इक्वेशन आर यू यूजिंग? y इज 250 माइनस 2x. सो y इज 250 माइनस 2 इंटू x क्या है? 100. सो लेट्स पुट 100 हियर. सो 250 माइनस 200, दैट इज y इज 50. So my final answer that x is 100 and y is 250. I hope you are getting by some how to do it. Very simple concept, okay? But it works. This works only when the numbers are small, okay? When the numbers are little complicated and big, then this substitution method fails. Fails means it will give you the answer, but the calculation is very tedious, very lengthy and time consuming. So as long as the numbers are small, you can prefer this method. Okay. Next. The fifth and the sixth question seems easy. I'll do the eighth question is also based on decimal places. Okay, the seventh one is also easy. I'll do the 8th, 9th and the 10th sum. They are little lengthy. So 8th sum. it is 1.5x. Again there is a decimal place, 0.5i equals 6.2. I've told you if there are decimal places, इसको simple बना दो. क्या करोगे इसको? Multiply the equation by 10. Okay, so when you multiply the equation by 10, this will become 15x plus 0.1 into 10 is 1. Okay, so ये y बन गया equals 62. Keep this as equation 1. In fact, let's make y the subject. एक सब्जेक्ट तो बनाना ही है, तो y को सब्जेक्ट बना देते हैं. सो y इज 62 माइनस 15x. ये काम भी हो गया, एक सब्जेक्ट बन गया. ठीक है. सेकेंड इक्वेशन क्या है? पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ y इन इक्वेशन 2. एक्चुअली मैंने लिखा ही नहीं इक्वेशन, अभी लिख देता हूँ. 3x माइनस 0.4y इक्वल्स 11.2. ओके, मुझे यहाँ पे y की वैल्यू मिल चुकी थी. लेट्स पुट दिस इन इक्वेशन. 0.4 इंटू 62 माइनस 15x equals 11.2. Open this bracket. You have to multiply 62 multiplied by 0.4. The answer will come in decimal only, that is 24.8. Minus minus plus 15 into 0.4 will give you 6x equals 11.2. Now shift this minus 24.8 on the right hand side. 3x plus 6x is 9x, and 11.2 plus 24.8. Okay, see how the numbers are getting arranged automatically. So 35, 36, this will become 36. So see, automatically you got the answer correct. 9x is equals to 36. So x is 36 upon 9. That is x is 4. Okay. Once you got the value of x as 4, we can easily substitute in to find y. So put x is equals to 4 in equation y is equals to 62 minus 15x. So y is equals to x is 4. Correct, I've got the value of x is 4, so I'll put that 4 here. So 62 minus 60, that is 2. Understood? I hope the concept is pretty clear in your mind, students. Copy it properly, each and every step. Number the equations. You can give as many numbers as possible. You can give each equation different number for your convenience. Let's do question number 9. All questions are same, only the initial steps they have increased the complexity of the question. That means first you have to simplify the equation and then you have to start solving it. That is what they do. This is the first equation. Okay, so I will simplify this first. Open the brackets. So you will get 2x minus 6 plus 3y minus 3 5s are 15 equals 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 6 minus 15 is minus 21 equals 0. Name this as equation 1. देखो ऐसा था, इसको मैंने सिंप्लीफाई करके ऐसे बना दिया. ओके, और सेकेंड इक्वेशन क्या है? 5 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y minus 4 equals 0. Open the brackets. 5x minus 5 plus 4y minus 16 equals 0. So 5x plus 4y minus 5 minus 16 is again minus 21 equals 0. Now I have to make a subject here, some any variable, either x or y, from here or from this equation. let's make it from this equation only. So let's make x the subject this time. So 5x equals, इन दोनों को यहाँ शिफ्ट करो. So -21 यहाँ पे जाके 21 बनेगा, 4y यहाँ पे जाके -4y. So x is 21 minus 4y, and this 5 will come in the denominator upon 5. Okay, ये मिला x. अब ये x मिलने के बाद substitute in which equation? This equation 1. So let's put the value of x in equation 1. Statements are important. So क्या है equation 1? 0. Now 2 into 21 minus 4y upon 5. इस -21 को मैं यहाँ शिफ्ट कर देता हूँ. सो +21 बन गया. ओके सॉरी, +3y भी तो है, +3y. ठीक है, लेट्स ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट. सो 42 minus 2 4 is 8, 8y upon 5 plus 3y equals 21. यहाँ पे LCM लेते हैं. सो 42 minus 8y, 5 3 is 15, 15y upon 5 equals 21. So 42 minus 8 plus 15 is plus 7, plus 7y equals, this 5 will go here and get multiplied. So 21 into 5, कितना होता है 21 into 5? That is 105. ओके, अब ये 42 को यहाँ शिफ्ट करते हैं. So 7y equals 105 minus 42. So this will give me 63. 7y is 63. So y is 63 upon 7, that is 9. So y मिल गया 9. Okay, अब y 9 मिल गया है. तो I know that x is 21 minus 4y upon 5. यही था मेरा x की वैल्यू, 21 minus 4y upon 5. यहाँ पे in this value I will substitute y as 9 here. Okay, so x is 21 minus 4 into 9 upon 5. So ये क्या होगा, 21 minus 36 upon 5, that is minus 15 upon 5. और क्या होता है -15 upon 5? It is -3. So you will get x as -3. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay students, so there is one more sum now, question number 10. We'll complete question number 10, then you have to solve from 1 to 10. See, I have done 5 to 6 sums. The sums which I have skipped, you have to solve it now itself in your classwork also, and later on for homework also. So solve those sums which I have skipped, 3 to 4 sums, right now in the classwork also. Okay, I am doing the 10th sum now. Next is the 10th sum. Two x plus 1 upon 7 plus 5y minus 3 upon 3 equals 12. We have to simplify both the equations. Both the equations are given in this complex fractional form. So you simplify it. How to simplify it? Take LCM here. So 7 and 3, LCM will be 21, 7 and 3. So multiply this numerator and denominator by 7 and this numerator and denominator by 3. When you multiply this, you will get 3 into 2x plus 1 upon 21 plus 7 into 5y minus 3 upon 21 equals 12. Open the brackets. 6x plus 3 plus 35y minus 21 upon 21. Denominator is same, so write it common, equals 12. Now 6x plus 35y, 3 minus 21. 3 minus 21 is minus 18, equals 12 into 21. So that is 252. Twelve into 21 is 252. Now this 18 will go there. 6x plus 35y equals 252 plus 18. And what is 252 plus 18? It is 270. This is my first equation. Okay. Similarly, you have to find the second simpler equation. Let us call this equation 1. The second one is 3x plus 2 upon 2 minus 4y plus 3 upon 9 equals 13. Take the LCM here, multiply this by 9 and this by 2. So the denominator will become 18 and 9 into 3x plus 2. And here 2 into 4y plus 3. Open this bracket, 27x plus 18 minus 8y. This minus plus will become minus, 2 3s are 6 upon 18 equals 13. Now you have to multiply 13 into 18. Multiply this 13 into 18, you will get 234. 18 into 13. And here you have 27x minus 8y and plus 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is 12. Okay, so 27x minus 8y equals, send this 12 here. So 234 minus 12, that is 222. Okay. Now once I have this, we are using substitution method, right? So I'll make a subject here. Let's say I make, first you copy this part, then copy this. Then we will make a subject from here, or you can make a subject from here also. Okay, let's say I make x as the subject, x. So 6x equals, this 35y will go there, so 270 minus 35y, and therefore x is equals to 270 minus 35y upon 6. Sorry. Some image is coming blur due to some reason. Okay, so this is the value of x. Now put x in equation 2. Name this as equation 2. So let's substitute this value here. So in the place of x, x की जगह पे यहाँ पे I will put this full value 270 minus, थोड़े calculations इसमें बड़े होंगे, 35y upon 6. Okay, x की जगह पे I have put this value minus 8y equals 222. Now open this bracket, multiply this 27 with 270. You will get 7290 minus, multiply this 27 with 35. You will get 945y minus 8y equals 222, and in the denominator we have 6. Actually we could have cancelled here also. That would be better. Wait, do one thing, make cancellation here. इससे छोटा हो जाएगा. 3 2s are 3 9s are. Now you need to only multiply 9 inside. Okay, that will make the calculation easy. So 27 into 9 is 2430 minus 35 into 9, 315y upon 2 minus 8y equals 222. Okay, then this 2 will get multiplied with 8 because I'll take LCM. So 2430 minus 315y minus 16y upon 2 equals 222. Now let's multiply this. 2 into 222 will give you 444, and here minus 315 minus 16 will give me 331y. ओके, अब इस 2430 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. Okay, I told you that the calculation in this sum are little complex, otherwise the concept is same. So this will become 1986 minus 1986. Now minus minus cancel, y is 1986 upon 331, and when you cancel this you will get 6. So your y is 6. Okay, now once you have y, you can put y in equation. Put y is equals to 6 in equation. Any equation you can put. Let's say you put it in this equation here. Let's name it as equation 3. Put in equation 3. इसको 3 नाम दे देना. जहाँ पे भी ये लिखा है आपने उसमें 3 नाम दे देना. ठीक है. So x equals 270 minus 35y upon 6. So 270 minus 35, y क्या मिला है? y 6 मिला है. So 35 into 6 upon 6. So 270 minus 210. 35 into 6 is 210 upon 6, that is 60 upon 6, that is 10. So you got x as 10 in this question. Okay, with this we have completed first 10 questions of the exercise. For now you solve these 10 questions only. Focus here only in the first 10 questions, because understanding the concept is important. Copy this till here first, then copy this part, then do this much, and then copy this part. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.